The PS5 players have reported about Fallout 4 crashing issue on startup, and if you are also into the same situation, then this video guide will help you to fix the issue. According to reports, this issue has occurred to those players who have installed Automatron DLC and then suffering from poor gaming experience. However, Bethesda support has suggested various methods to troubleshoot the issue, like restarting the game, disabling mods, power cycle console, and even reinstalling the game. All these are some temporary solutions, but a user from Reddit has recommended reinstalling the game without DLC. This process will surely help to resolve the issue. Apart from this, you can also visit Bethesda support, link in description, to know what to do when Fallout 4 crashes on PS4/PS5. If you still encounter the error, then you need to contact PlayStation support, link in description.